Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to week 32. We are continuing on with code.org. I'm only making one video this week because code.org is pretty much the same for the different ones. I'll just go over what you have to do for each assignment, and then you can go from there. So you have your checklist here. Remember, you don't have to submit your checklist. You just need it. I give it to you so you can organize the work you need to get done. It's set up as it's always set up. On Monday at 11, there will be a live version of this. You can ask questions, etc. On Wednesday at 11 is like office hours. You can ask questions, and then we will play a game or something. This week it is vocabulary, so you will have a vocabulary quiz for assignment 3. So assignment 1 is you're going to be completing lesson 5 at code.org, and it is called Creating Art with Code. And you're going to complete it, and the very last lesson, which is lesson 10, it's going to ask you a question, and it's going to give you some code, and you have to answer the question and copy and paste it into the submission box. So after you've done all 10 lessons, it's going to give you some code, and it's going to say, look carefully at the end of lesson 10, what will happen when you click run, and it will give you code. You need to tell me which one of these 3 things will that code have you do. But you have to get all the way through lesson 10 before you can answer this question. So that is what assignment 1 is this week. Assignment 2 is you will be doing lesson 6 and 7. And you will just be completing them, and I will go into code.org to make sure that they are done and to see how far you have gone, and I will give you credit based on that. And 6 and 7 are loops with Ray and BB-8 and sticker art with loops. So those are the topics that we will be working on in code.org. And as I told you, assignment 3 is vocabulary. It is all vocabulary about coding. And so you will go here and you can practice it, and then you can go and take your quiz. It is a matching quiz. You can only take it one time, just like any other quiz. And that is what we will be doing this week. I hope you can join me on Monday or Wednesday. And if you have any problems or questions, please message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great week.